Well, the second tranche of the Bharat 22 ETF managed by ICICI Prudential AMC opens for subscription today, and here's all you need to know about that ETF. The anchor book will be available for subscription today, and the non-anchor book will be available for subscription starting tomorrow till the end of June 22nd. But this time around, the interesting bit is that ICICI Prudential AMC has come up with a new fund offer for the retail category, and that will be open for subscription from today till the end of June 22nd. Now, if you look at the discount that the government is offering currently is about 2.5%, and what they are likely to raise is about 6,000 crores with another green shoe option of about 2,400 crores. Now, if you look at the sector weightage of where this is going to be split, so the highest is at 22.6%, which is the industrial space, followed by financial sector, which is at about 20.3%, and you have utilities which are pegged at about 20%, and you have energy, which is 17.5%. FMCG gets a pie of about 15.2%, and lastly we have the basic material space, which constitutes about 4.4%. But the interesting bit is in the individual stocks and how they have been weighted. If we can have a look at that, so L&T is the top stock over there with a weightage of about 17.1%, but ITC is the interesting one because it is the only representation from the FMCG pack and has a weight of about 15.2%, followed by SBI Power Grid and Axis Bank in the range of 7.7 to 8.6%. Moving on, we have the likes of NTPC and ONGC, which also make it to the list, about 5.5% to 6.5% weightage over there, followed by NALCO, which is about 4.4%, and we have IOC and BPCL from the OMC list, also making it with 4.4% weightage for each of them. Now, if you look at the estimates of earnings that we have got from HDFC Securities, they are expecting that the FY20 earnings will likely grow at about 22% for the Bharat 22 ETF, and for the Sensex it is pegged at about 19%. In terms of the price to earnings ratio, it is 14x for the Bharat 22 ETF, and Sensex stands at about 15x. For the price to book, 2.5x on price to book for Bharat 22, and the Sensex at about 2.3 times. The dividend yield is also higher at about 2.5% for the Bharat 22, and we have 1.1% for the Sensex itself. Now, if you look at the price performance so far, what has been done in the year, remember last year November the first tranche had in fact come out, so we have the YTD performance, and you can see that the Sensex has in fact outperformed the Bharat 22 index. But if you have a look at the ETF that has been managed, that has in fact managed to outperform the index itself.